beautiful day out here and just share with you a couple things that I've learned over the last 30 years of marketing online. If your leads aren't converting, it probably means one of three main things. A, you're talking to the wrong audience, okay? Or you're talking to the audience, but your offer doesn't appeal to them, okay? Or three, your offer appeals to them, it's the right audience, but they don't have any money. One of the things that we can do to actually bypass this is A, get to know your audience. Actually spend time with them, have conversations, build some relationships with your audience. Have conversations so that you can actually figure out what it is that their needs are. And then you want to have them qualified. How do we mean qualified? It means they have a problem that they have to have solved. They have money to invest. They're willing to invest. And they're ready to move forward today. When you have those things in place, you'll find that they start converting really, really fast. When you do this, you have to actually have a very compelling offer. You have to have an offer that makes them want to raise their hand and go, yes, I need this. I want this. I need it now. We make sure that the only people coming into our funnels, the only ones that are coming into our sales process, if you will, are people who've already consumed our content, have seen the value in what we have. They voted with their wallets, okay, which is extremely important because that shows that they're willing to invest. They've already invested and they're hungry for more. That's one of the stipulations that I have. They have to have spent money to learn from me in the past, and they have to want more before they even get on my main email list. Now, I know that seems like kind of an outlandish claim, but when you do things right, when you do them in the right process, you'll find that it's always more effective. The traditional funnels just aren't working. They're saying create a lead magnet, put it out there, hope that people do it. You spend your entire life online and offline trying to get people to go download a lead magnet that doesn't impress them, doesn't wow them, and doesn't solve their problem. And then you wonder why you're not making any money. If you want to actually step past that, if you want to get to that next level and you want to learn, hey, there's a better way of doing this, then I encourage you, go ahead and click the link below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the problem with the old marketing system and then show you the system that I currently use in my business to have people voting with their wallets and paying over $100 just to get onto my list. If you're interested in doing that, go ahead, click the link below, and I'll be seeing you on the other side. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.